All right, 2 days later, right? Still got no word back yet on Mindy's Lexus and what's going on with it. Reached out to a couple people, some specialists to check it out. Right now, it's kind of a waiting game. I leave tomorrow to go to Vegas, so when I get back, I'm gonna have to jump on that. But we did get the Suburban back. We are gonna have to jump around to different stereo shops because, remember, the system was tripping. So we're gonna switch this one out, put this one in, switch these out for the ones back there. But I have all this to do today, because I leave to go to Vegas tomorrow, and I'm gonna be having people in my car, so I wanna have music, enjoyable experience, good ride, all that. Have to get a haircut, have to pack clothes, have to go buy some clothes, have to do so much. So Mindy's car is on hold, head unit, amp change, clothes shopping, and so much more. I'm forgetting. Anyway, let's get it. Got the Suburban back, everything's working good, but now I'm back on it. Yo!
Man, these cars are crazy. Did you see that?
All right, now was at the house, did some packing. Damn. All right, well, what? Mindy's leaving? Cool, check. Now, we hop in the Denali. Good thing that I never turned it into Allen Sons because didn't know that I'll be needing it today. So now we're about to go shoot out to go get some pants, then make my haircut appointment, pick up my Suburban, and the mission continues. Let's go. All right, look at me. Look a lot better. Oh, your boy's back. Good news and bad news, a lot of bad news. Got the phone call, found a shop that could take my truck in, dropped it off earlier today. Now, reason why it's bad news is because I go pick up my truck, but now when I get home, I'm gonna have to take it apart, my amps and all that stuff, and try to figure out and diagnose the problem by myself. And when you drive to Vegas, you always wanna have some musical pleasures, enjoy yourself. You don't want there to be no problems. But one thing dealing with car audio, dealing with engine swaps, dealing with modifying anything, the way it works out is like you check 2 things off your list of things to do, but 4 more is added. You know what I mean? It's like it's never ending. I don't even get mad anymore. What's the point of getting upset? What's the point of getting yourself all worked up? It is what it is. You know what I mean? Sometimes life be lifing. So, crunch time. I got about 12 hours. That's a small amount of time to get a lot done. I don't know. I feel like this video is kind of everywhere, because I'm everywhere. And I don't know how it's gonna be after the editing and how you guys see it. It's just a day in the life. I just want things to be easy. Whew. All right, let's keep on keeping on, please. It's nighttime. Came to get the keys, check up on the Suburban and everything. This guy says, hey, I don't usually say this, but we've been working on your truck all day to try to figure out the problems and issues with it. So frustrated. A couple of the guys almost wanted to quit. That's how mad they got. And then the main guy, like, I don't know if you want to say, like, the co-owner, he was like, hey, I'm trying to be respectful as possible because you're cool people. Don't bring your truck back here again. They didn't fix the problem. He said, don't bring your truck back here again because I need my guys. I don't want to I don't want to make them mad because they've been having a headache all day. So this is a weird video, right? Like, let's keep it going, man. All right, damn. Got the trucks back at the house. So now I'm gonna take out the bad 4-channel amp, which is that one right there, the top one. Gotta take out the wires, kill the power, tape everything off, make sure nothing touches, and then switch it with my other amps. I'm not sure which one we use. We still don't fully know if it's something with the wiring, if it was the amp, or if the head unit that I got just happened to be, you know, a little faulty or messed up or whatever. So, hey, I don't care if you guys are laughing or not. I make myself laugh, and that's what helps me get through everything. All right, so got the amp out, got everything taped off so nothing touches, nothing shorts, even though all the power's cut off, still wanna be safe. As you can see, there's a lot of wires going everywhere. That's what we're doing. So now we got the new amp right here, the old amp right here. And what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just match up the new one, compared to the old one that was in here. Even though it still all needs to be tuned and have to be exact, I'm gonna just do ballpark and we'll see what's up with that. That car was loud. All right. Not gonna give up today. I'm dumb tired, stupid tired. 3 in the morning right now. Yeah, so switched out the amps, still the same problem. Super static and feedback coming through my speakers. Dealing with systems, it sucks because it could be one thing, you know? So tap back in with y'all in the morning. Another day, getting ready to leave to Vegas in a couple hours. Gonna have people in my truck. System is still not working properly, but it's playable. Came down to G-Sound, got some stuff, got some RCAs that I thought it would be, and it wasn't. There's a ground issue. Some wires are connecting somewhere in the truck, somewhere in the vehicle, so we gotta figure that out, but I'm not gonna be able to do that until I get back from Vegas. But I'm gonna be showing you guys another video because I found out that Elite Tuner is gonna be in Vegas. So for sure, I'm gonna go check that out. Let's get going, let's get packing. Minnie's gonna pull up to the house, help me with some stuff. Nah, too early to cry. I ain't no bitch. Hey, make sure you guys like and subscribe. Hit up my Instagram at Import Life Media and make sure, you know what I mean, you just support because that helps me out a lot. I'm trying to make this car thing work and it lets me know what type of content you guys like, answer questions. It lets me know what it is that you guys like to see. Some of the funny stuff, some of the car stuff, some of the shows, you know, keep me posted. But yeah, make sure you like and subscribe, please. It helps me out a lot.